Imagine yourself in this 2011 Chevrolet Equinox. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Stand out in the crowd with premium wheels. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road, and memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.